Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are back up here in Topeka, Kansas. We are working on getting the existing damaged cinder block wall removed. We're in the process of cleaning the footing now. We'll be getting all of the previously installed I-beam wall braces moved out of the way also. And then we have 2 piers left that we're going to be installing under the footing. So once we get everything cleaned out of the way, we'll get those put in, make sure the footing is at its correct level elevation, and then once that begins, we have all of our CMU cinder block here, so we will start getting this whole section of the wall rebuilt with that new cinder block. One thing we always like to point out when we do a cinder block rebuild, each of the holes in each individual block is going to be filled solid with our high-strength concrete mix. So we are going to not only make sure the new wall is vertical, but it is as structurally sound and stable as we can possibly make it. So yeah, right now we are just, we've got the wall removed. So we're getting the footing cleaned up, all the beams out of the way. We'll get the holes taken care of quickly for the piers to get those installed, and then we should be good on getting the new cinder block built back up. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.